Head lice is a condition which most of us have faced in our childhood. Today, I will bring forth to you some of very good natural homeopathic remedies which may help your child get rid of head louse permanently. Till I am here or when I am gone, I will always be here with you anytime, anywhere. Whatever knowledge and wisdom I have gained in homeopathy, it's my dream that it may reach the last person standing in the last line of the society as an easy and simple solution for better health, and I am doing everything possible to make this dream a reality. I ask you for your active participation in this endeavor, which is not for me, not only for you, but for the entire mankind. Hello friends, Namaste. Today we would be talking about head lice or louse. Head lice is a condition which we all mostly face in our childhood. The lice comes in our hairs, and if the hairs are thick, hairs are dense or hairs are long, then this problem gives a trauma to the mind. Today I would be telling you some of the medicines, homeopathic natural remedies to get rid of head louse. First of all, let's know what head lice is. Head lice are tiny insects which come in our head through infection, and they multiply very rapidly. One lice gives birth to 200 lices every day. 200% is the growth of the head lice. These suck blood, feed on the blood from our scalp. The symptoms of head lice are itching sensation, crawling sensation, numbness and inflammation in the scalp. These are some of the symptoms which persist in head lice. The cause of head lice may be poor hygiene in the hairs, but it's not always that way. When the hairs are long, the person gets infected with another person and the hair lice comes and it infects that person. But friends, where there is problem, there is a solution. Today I will bring forth to you some of the very good remedies to get rid of head lice. The remedies are effective, but I request you to please consult a physician before taking any of these medicines. So let's start the journey. Let's start the journey to get rid of head louse. Top homeopathic remedy to get rid of head louse is sulfur. Sulfur in 1 mg potency weekly, 1 dose could be given. If the patient doesn't want to wash her hairs, the patient is dirty, the patient is lazy, rises very late in the morning, sleeps very late at night, he desires sweet things, then this could be drug of the choice for head lice. A symptom associated with head lice is the patient gets itching at night at about 12 a.m. The patient gets itching in the scalp, intense itching in the scalp. If that is the case, and the patient is restless, if that is the case, then the drug of the choice for such condition is arsenic album. Arsenic album in 30 potency could be given to the patient if she is having itching in the scalp, there is restlessness, there is thirst for small quantities of water at frequent intervals, the patient is fastidious. If these are the symptoms, then arsenic could be drug of the choice. A symptom occurs when the patient has bloated abdomen, gas in the abdomen, he is restless at about 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. There is itching in the scalp with gastric derangements, and the drug of the choice for such patient is Lycopodium clavatum. Lycopodium 30 potency 2 drop 3 times per day could be given to this type of patient. The patient will get rid of her gastric complaints, of her head lice, and the patient's digestion would be better. Sometimes in case of head lice, the child doesn't want her head to be touched. Her head is very sensitive to touch. If that is the case and he or she is having head lice, then the drug of the choice for such condition is Lice. Patient could be given Lice 1 em 1 dose weekly. This medicine helps the patient get rid of head lice. When someone has head lice, then he uses many chemicals in his head, and these chemicals do harm to the hair. So I would be telling you the remedy which neutralizes the bad effects of the chemicals and help you get rid of head lice, and that is Nux vomica. Nux vomica 30 potency 2 drop 3 times per day could be given to such a patient. This medicine helps the patient get rid of head lice. Sometimes the patient gets infected with head lice repeatedly. Again and again this infection is occurring in her head. So if that is the condition, then there is a medicine which is made from head louse and it helps in the head lice, and that is pediculus. Patient could be given pediculus 30 potency 2 drop 3 times per day if she is or he is having repetitive head lice in her head. A symptom comes in head lice that the patient has severe itching in the scalp at night. The scalp is oily and she is having head lice. If that is the condition, then drug of the choice for such condition is Sorinum. Patient could be given Sorinum 200 potency 1 dose every week. This remedy helps to get rid of the oily scalp and the louse present in the scalp. A symptom comes in the case of lice, hair lice, that all the time the crawling sensation is there in the scalp and the child gets very irritated by it, and some kind of anger develops in him due to this. If that is the case, then the remedy for such is Staphylococcus aureus. Patient could be given Staphylococcus aureus 30 potency 2 drops 3 times per day. This medicine helps the patient. Another very good remedy for head lice which could be used as intercurrent remedy is carbolic acid. Patient could be given carbolic acid 30 potency 2 drop 3 times per day. This is an excellent remedy to get rid of head lice. Friends, these were some of the remedies which help you get rid of head lice. Medicines are effective, but I request you to please consult a physician before taking any of the medicines. I would request you or invite you for your comments on this video. If you have any query, please do WhatsApp us on our given WhatsApp number. I ask you to help the society with this knowledge. Share this video. Thank you for being a part of this video. Thank you for your precious time to listen to this video. We will visit again. Thank you.